Hi girls, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm filming a little Farfetch unboxing. Usually I wouldn't do a haul video because I only have two dresses here and I would wait a little bit longer to pick up some more pieces, but today I'm making an exception because I do need your help in this video. I have picked up one dress in two different colors, so I want to know your opinion and I want to know which dress you think is going to be the best for autumn winter 2021. Second reason I want to film as well is I am so slow at putting things together, and by the time I have this video uploaded, normally the pieces that are new in are already sold out on Farfetch. So I don't want that to be the case today. I want you guys to have the chance to get these pieces as well. So I'm going to try my best, don't hold me to that, to get these videos out a little bit quicker going forward. If you do want to see the new in pieces that I pick up first, definitely head over to my Instagram account. It's at the_pencil_skirt on Instagram, and you will find all of the looks over there, probably before they end up on a YouTube video as well. Without further ado, let's get into the dresses. So I haven't officially started my autumn winter shopping just yet, but I saw these pieces online and I definitely didn't want to miss out on this dress because I just think it is just autumn in a dress, so perfect. So the brand, sorry about the noise, the brand I bought these dresses from is called Pinko, P-I-N-K-O, and I have shopped on Farfetch before, but I've never bought any Pinko pieces, so I was interested to try the brand anyway. So this is the first dress. I probably should button it up. So guys, this is the first dress. It's purple and it has this ribbing detail down the sleeve, and then the skirt is like an accordion skirt. It's fitted here on the top. You can see the buttons there and the little collar as well. I just thought this color was just so beautiful, and I do enjoy purple with my skin tone as well, but the second color is really a high contender as well, so I just could not make a decision. But this purple one I think is really unique. It's not a color that you see all the time, especially in dresses. Normally it's like pink and reds and stuff like that, so I just thought maybe I should add some more purple into my wardrobe. Seems like it's a beautiful color, and this is perfect for the autumn winter season as well. Still like a summery vibe, but it's autumn winter appropriate, which is really good. I don't really want to move into the darker shades for autumn winter just yet. I'm just trying to hold on to the summer season as much as I can. But anyway, that's the first color, so you have seen that already now in the try on clips. And wait until you see this second color, guys. You'll understand why my decision is so hard. Can we even decide? Just wow. I mean, green is so popular this season in 2021. Green I'm seeing absolutely everywhere in all the brands. I just can't decide. I cannot decide between the purple and the green. I'll hold them up so you can kind of see on me. I know this is a terrible way of showing clothes, but can we even make a decision between these two dresses? They're just so beautiful. Both pieces are so beautiful. I will be linking these in the description as well if you want to have a look on Farfetch at these two dresses. They do have a couple of sizes left. The time I was ordering, there was a good few sizes in stock, so I think you might be lucky to get your hands on one of these. So I'm not going to try on the green because, as I mentioned, it's the exact same dress as the purple, but just in the green colour. So definitely let me know what you think in the comments. I would love to hear your opinion. So the choices are purple or green, or both as well. I know that will be a little bit like overkill on the dress, but when you find a good autumn winter dress that you know you're going to wear, I think of it as an investment for the season. Like, I live in jumper dresses during the autumn winter and into January as well. Like, this is a perfect go-to, and because this is like a thin material as well, this is perfect for layering when it gets into those colder months as well, that you can add a pair of black tights, pair of boots, a second jumper over this, and a coat and a scarf and a hat. So, you know, I'm nearly talking myself into these two dresses now at this stage, guys. So anyway, thank you very much for watching today's video. Do give the video a thumbs up and remember to subscribe to my channel for new videos every week. Thank you guys again, and I'll see you in the next video.